Within the past several years, on this journey of overcoming shyness and coming out of my shell and learning how to make friends and all that stuff, across this whole journey, I realize that genuineness is one of the most important lessons that I've learned within this entire journey and ongoing journey. Why is it so important? Well, I've learned that genuineness makes people feel like they're heard, and that it also makes people feel like they're cared for. What exactly do I mean? What does this look like? One of the ways that I learned to be more genuine is giving genuine compliments. Like, I remember one time that I used to wait tables. It's a hard job. It's not an easy job, running around. But I remember at the end of one night, or at the end of serving this one elderly couple, after they had left and I went over to the table, I saw a little paper. It's like, ooh, tip, let's go, you know, making that moolah. But I also saw a paper. The elderly couple wrote on the back of their receipt. And this is honestly this receipt is something I keep to this day. And all it simply said was, excellent service. And that small compliment, as minor as it might seem, really meant a lot to me, and it honestly made my day. And I believe that giving genuine compliments can have that same effect when connecting with people. Now, another big, significant part of an example of being genuine is being present. What does this look like? Being present in the moment, what does that exactly look like? Well, part of it, as I learned, is putting down the phone or putting it out of sight, out of sight, out of mind type of thing, and being present with the person. Taking out the AirPods, taking out my earphones, anything that could distract me from being present in the moment with that person that I'm talking to. Another way to be genuine is intently listening to people. And it also relates to the last one, taking out the earphones, right? And being present with the person. It also helps being present, also helps you be more genuine, the people that we're talking to. Another way, a very simple way, is relevant to our relationships that we already have established. And that's asking them, how are you? Like, when was the last time we ourselves were asked that? It's another way of being genuine as well. In this AI world, I noticed that over the past several years is becoming less and less and less common to see in people. In my own relationships, and honestly, if I were to be completely honest, I could see myself being less genuine. Possibly because of how distracted we are with our phones, because of the presence of TikTok. I don't think any of those things are going away. But all the more, because of genuineness is harder to come by these days, all the more makes genuineness more valuable. Because of how valuable genuineness is, I highly encourage you to use this and include it as an addition to your tool set whenever it comes to making friends and connecting with people. I can guarantee you it is worth it, and it is very powerful. It's a very powerful tool to making friends and connecting with people. And that's what it's all about, right? Just relationships. If we didn't have technology and all these different distractions, what are we gonna have left, right? We're gonna have each other. If all things go to crap, one thing that's gonna be left over is each other. And that's why I believe that nurturing, fostering our current relationships is so important. And all the more, I think it's important to be able to easily make new relationships as well, connecting with even more new people as well. And with being genuine, I think that's exactly what people will get. They'll notice you, they'll appreciate you, and you'll stand out. And with our current established relationships, they'll deepen and reinforce them, make them stronger. Go out there and be awesome in connecting with others as well. Peace. God bless.